Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What's up? Welcome back to our class channel. It's AHA class. The Honorable our English lecturer, Sarweli Ardiansyah. Today in this video, I would like to present my presentation, How to Write an Essay, Introduction. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Utari Nuraini, and I am the third semester student of Accounting Department in Polytechnic of Sriwijaya from 3AH class. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video, so let's get started. Explanation of introduction. An introduction generally does three things. The first part is usually a general comment that shows the reader why the topic is important, gets their interest, and leads them into the topic. It isn't actually part of your argument. The next part of the introduction is the thesis statement. This is your response to this question, your final answer. It is probably the most important part of the introduction. Finally, the introduction tells the reader what they can expect in the essay body. This is where you briefly outline your argument. The purpose of introduction. The purpose of the introduction is to give your reader a clear idea of what your essay will cover. It should provide some background information on the specific problem or issue you are addressing, and should clearly outline your answer. Depending on your faculty or school, your answer may be referred to as your position, contention, thesis, or main argument. Whatever term is used, this is essentially your response to the essay questions, which is based on the research you have undertaken. An essay is not like a mystery novel which keeps the reader in suspense. It should not slowly reveal the argument to the reader. Instead, the contention and supporting arguments are usually stated in the introduction. When writing an introduction, you should typically use a general to specific structure. That is, introduce the particular problem or topic the essay will address in a general sense to provide context, before narrowing down to your particular position and line of argument. Key element of introduction. First, provide some background information and context. Second, limit the scope of your discussion. Third, state your position or contention. Fourth, outline the structure or main supporting points of your essay. This is a sample of introduction. As you can see, the green one is background or context. The red one is position or contention. The yellow one is structure or main point of an essay. That's all my presentation. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video, and this video will be useful for all of us. Thank you, goodbye, and see you on the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.